Hey guys, at the Tacoma Waterfront. Been training for 3 years, been living in Tacoma for 30 years. Somehow I haven't trained over here before. It's beautiful. See the fireboat, the old fireboat? When I was a kid,
20 years ago,
you used to be able to go on that. But then all the damn goblins like ruined it. Look at that, why is there a Mountain Dew down there? Used to be a paper mill over here. This spot, man. There's a little baby jump, but I want to get something. Whew. Whew. Yeah, that's not the ocean. That's actually mostly glacier water. Yeah, the water's calm, but it's cold year-round. See that guy? See the little? See him? We should get one of those, bud. Get a sup board. It's just like a surfboard, kind of. You just stand on it. You just stand on it and row slowly. It'd be fun. Yes, handy. Yes, hand draw. I want to get at least a couple jumps in. Oh. See, that's so easy though. That one's easy. I'm gonna call it there. There's a whole nother half of like the waterfront and stuff over there. Maybe I'll go tomorrow or some other day when I have more time. But at least I got a couple spots in. This is a fun spot to work at though, to be honest. Bingo bango. You guys have a good one. That's it. Boats and hoes. Boats and hoes. Gotta have me my boats and hoes.